Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and practical tips to help you start and grow your own digital marketing agency and what services you could able to offer to your clients. These are the main services that digital marketing agencies can offer to their valuable clients, so stay with us till the end so we will give you complete detail for each and every service. My aim is to add value to my viewers and I want you to a successful entrepreneur, so subscribe and share the channels and leave your comments about any service you want to offer so I would be able to create a detailed video on that topic for you. Search engine optimization, SEO. This service involves optimizing your website to rank higher on search engines like Google, which can increase your online visibility and attract more organic traffic to your site. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC is a form of online advertising where you pay for each click on your ad. This service can help increase website traffic, generate leads, and boost sales. Social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram offer businesses an opportunity to connect with their audience, promote their brand, and drive website traffic. Content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics, to attract and engage your target audience. Email marketing. This service involves using email to communicate with your audience, promote your products or services, and build brand loyalty. Web design and development. A digital marketing agency may offer web design and development services to help businesses create a professional, user-friendly website that is optimized for search engines and mobile devices. Reputation management. This service involves monitoring and managing your online reputation, including responding to customer reviews and addressing negative feedback. Thanks for watching.